Hi guys, please I need your help. Anybody have experience in BMW? I need his experience. This is my car, is 7 Series BMW 750i. This car is until now 3 months stop without any movement. I don't know what's the problem. I get this car to many workshop, but they don't know here in Libya what's wrong with it. I checked. This car is cranking but not start. As I will show you. I checked the fuse of fuel pump is okay, but as you see, I changed the battery as well. This car, can you see this? لا ايوه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is with the new battery. The car is cranking but not start. Please, anyone have any idea or has experience in these cars, please help me. I don't know what to do. And thank you. I will upload this video on YouTube, and I will see maybe somebody can help me, and thank you.